Hey everyone, it's Allison here with New Little Life. I just got a new pump in the mail and I wanted to open it up with you and see what's inside. I'm really excited about this pump because lots of moms have been telling me that they love it. It is the Baby Buddha. You can see it's really small and handheld. It comes with a lanyard, I think, that you wear around your neck. So I'm really excited to dive in and see what comes with this. I'll be doing a review and some comparisons with this pump and other pumps later, so make sure you subscribe and check back for that. If you want help choosing a breast pump, I have a private Facebook group where it's full of moms and myself, and we can help you pick a breast pump that's best for you. The link's in the description, so go ahead and pop over there and join that. But let's get started and dive into this Baby Buddha pump. Okay. I got this pump on Amazon. It was $200, I think, and a lot of insurance companies are also covering this. So I'll put some links down below and you can check and see if you can get it through your insurance company. Oh, that's kind of cool packaging. Travel pump love. Aww. Instructions. 2 cards, which are cool. I usually toss these aside, but today I read them and you can post your products with this link on social media, which is super cool. This one talks about an email for a support if you have any problems or questions with the Baby Buddha pump. I actually already emailed them because the flange sizes that this came with, I looked on the box, was not what I needed. So I already emailed this email and they responded right away. It was crazy fast. So the first thing you see is this pump. Awesome. It's so tiny. That is so small. Okay, I'm really interested to test this out and see what kind of suction power it has because that is a small pump. And then the rest of it is actually in a bag. So you've got this little carrying bag with it. That's pretty cool. I always like it when pumps come with a storage bag like this because once you like get it out and throw the box away, then the pieces are everywhere. So I love it when pumps come with a bag just to keep everything together. 2 bottles with a little cap. That's a pretty common style these days. So you can take the nipple out and use the cap and just put it on like a lid. So you can do that or with the nipple. Oh, that's cool. Here's what the nipple of this pump looks like. It's really long on the end, which I could see my little guy liking. So I might have to try that out with him. This bottle holds 140 milliliters, which is almost 5 ounces. You could probably get a full 5 ounces in that, but no more. Kind of a small bottle, but that's okay. Another one, exactly the same. Okay, we've got some tubing here. Looks like 3 separate pieces. On the tubing here, it says, this is interesting. The tube cannot be washed or sterilized. The water left in the tube might destroy the motor part. So that's important. Don't be washing or sterilizing the tubing. It won't be coming in contact with your milk anyway though, so no big deal. Oh, this looks like the connector. Should we see if I can figure this out without pulling the instructions out? I'm guessing the long piece goes on the bottom. All the ends of these tubing looks the same. That would be my guess on setting that up. Hooking these to the flanges and the longer one to the pump. It looks like there is a click piece on the back here that you can turn. I'm guessing for single or double pump. If you just want to pump one side, I think you can close off that valve system. So that's cool. 2 bottle stands. Always nice for when you're done pumping, somewhere to put those. Comes with a charger and my favorite kind of charger, which is a USB. Why do I love USB chargers? Because you can charge them anywhere. So we currently live in Europe. I cannot use this American style plug. So I'm just gonna put this USB in my European charger. Awesome. Especially where this is meant to be a mobile pump, you want something that's portable. Okay, and then the flange part here. This looks like a beefy flange. I'm just gonna take it apart because that's what I do. Okay, so that to me looks like a backflow protector, meaning that this is probably a closed system pump, which makes sense why you don't want to get moisture in the tubing because this backflow protector is going to keep your milk separate from the tubing, but there's nothing keeping the tubing separate from the motor, so that makes sense to me. So this would be a closed system if I'm understanding that correctly. The valves that this use is a duckbill style valve, although it looks a little bit different than ones I've seen in the past. When I do a review on this pump, I will check it with just like your standard duckbill style valves like you get with a Spectra or something and see if they're interchangeable. But this looks fairly specific to me. Oh, it even attaches on the inside of that. So, okay. I would probably use specifically the Baby Buddha valves. It also has this little cushion pad for the flange, which is kind of cool. I'm interested to try that out. You can obviously take that off if you want. It's nice and smooth in there. But when I try it, I'm definitely going to try it with this cushion because I don't love the hard plastic flanges. Those are the only pieces that come off, so washing shouldn't be too bad there. It obviously comes with 2 of these. This is a cap for the flange. I'm not sure what I would use that for, like maybe when I'm storing it. Am I gonna feel stupid for not knowing what this is really for? Anyway, cool. And then lastly, it did come with 2 extra valves, which is cool. So it only comes with 1 set of these flanges, and they are 24 millimeters, which is kind of the average size. I did look on their website before I started this, and they had a 28 millimeter size and also a 30 something size, which I do not usually see them that big. So if you had extra big nipples and you had a hard time finding flanges that fit you, this pump might be awesome for you because it went up way higher than I normally see. Was it like 36 or something? It was high. They did not have any smaller though, although they said that they were going to be coming out with one soon, which is what I need. So I asked them if there were any like interchangeable parts that I could use to make this a smaller flange size. They said that you can use the Mamam, did I say that right? No. Inserts to make these smaller. They're not affiliated with that company, but they said that they should work in here. So I'm going to also be trying those when I do my review video to see if they work, but the company said that they would. They were very kind. Again, they emailed me really quickly back, which I really appreciated. But they did say that the 21 millimeter flange was in the process of being designed, so it should be out soon, hopefully. I don't tend to have a problem pumping with 24 size, but a smaller size does fit me much better. That's the Baby Buddha pump. That's what it comes with. Setup looks like it's going to be super standard for a pump. If you've never used a pump before, you can check out some other videos on my channel on just kind of the standard setup. But this one looks really easy. I mean, I'm very comfortable with pumps, so there's that, but this is not rocket science. There's a little hole in the pump. That's where that obviously goes. Simple. It's got a charging here in the bottom, and when you turn it on, it starts automatically going. Cool. That's got some good suction. It looks like you can switch it between modes from stimulation, which is a little bit higher mode, to expression, where the cycles per minute are slower. So that's pretty cool. The interface is really cool. It's got a button that you just flick up. I'm adjusting the pressure right now, or the suction level right now, I believe. What happens when you click it? Oh yes, stimulation mode, expression mode. What happens if I go sideways? Nothing. From what I can just tell, just looking at it, you can adjust the suction level up to 9. Ooh, that's beastie. Go back down there. And then up top, it looks like it tracks how many minutes you've been pumping for. Let's see if it starts where you left off. Nope, it starts back at the beginning in stimulation mode and suction level 1, which is the lowest one. So that's great. Super simple pump, not a ton of customization there, but do you really need a lot? No. It's also got this lanyard, so you can throw that around your neck, have the pumps on. I don't see any reason why you couldn't use this with like the freemie cups if you wanted a totally hands-free system. So that's cool. This little pump is a little bit smaller than the freemie pump. And I think I'll probably put that on my list of comparison videos because I'd really like to see how this compares to the freemie. Okay, there you go. The Baby Buddha pump. That's the basic setup, what it comes with. You can check back for review videos. I'll compare this pump with other pumps. If you have any questions or ideas you want to see this next to a pump, anything like that, comment down below because I always read them and put them in the queue. So we'll see you back next time.